Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 25. This is Section 2.3, Problem 25. It says determine if the fractions are equivalent. One fraction is 12 over 15 and the other fraction is 48 over 60. So there are two approaches to a question like this. You could reduce both fractions to its simplest form and see if the answers come out the same. Or you could multiply the numerator of one fraction times the denominator of the other fraction and see if the results come out the same. So if you're going to do that, one way we have 15 times 48. That's a fairly big multiplication, not something I think most people would be comfortable doing in their head. So I'll actually write it out. So 5 times 8 is 40. I'll put the 0 from the 40, carry the 4. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 more that we carry. 20 plus 4 more is 24. So now for the next line down, I'll put a 0 to hold my place, and then 1 times 48 is 48. Or you can do 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 4 is 4. And then I will add those two results together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 8 is 12, so I'll put the 2, carry the 1. Then 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So I have 720. Now, the other combination I could multiply is 12 times 60, the numerator of the first fraction times the denominator of the other fraction. 12 times 60. That's also a fairly big multiplication. So I'll do it out the long way. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. I'll put in a 0 to hold my place. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6. And now add the results together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. So that gives me 720. You get the same result. You get 720 both ways. So these two fractions are equivalent.